Today we're going to be taking off the tire on this side, and to give an ode to some of the other YouTubers out there, the tire here, yeah, that that's what we're going to take off right now. No, I'm telling you, the camera's off. In YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today, doing a little tinkering on the car. Took the Mustang 2 spindle off. We're gonna reinstall it. Gonna actually swap the brake calipers. I put it on the wrong side. So there's a cute little indicated arrow right there, and it was pointed this way. I had it installed, so I'm gonna swap it over. Got a lot going on in my life, so give me a break. But this should be pretty fun. I'm gonna try to time lapse it and then answer some questions and pitfalls in between. This is the Riley Motorsports altercation kit. Subframe down below, lower control arm, upper control arm. They manufacture everything in-house. It is a super awesome kit. You get a pick from Viking or Ride Tech. You can either do their coilovers. You can do single adjustable or double adjustable. I chose the single. It's got the Viking spring and the Ride Tech shock, but I chose the lowered suspension. I'm gonna actually have to raise it because when the wheel well's on, it actually, the 19-inch Mustang rims that I've got, these are the PP2 GT rims. They fit perfectly. They're 4x75. They almost touch the wheel well, or they actually do when it's turns hard left or hard right. They rub. So gonna have to raise the car up. But we're gonna adjust this. We're gonna get this reinstalled. We're gonna swap these over. This should be fun. Stay tuned. Have you ever wondered how to take off your own tire? Well, follow me. Alright, yeah, this was completely my fault. Just got too antsy setting this up and ended up putting them on the wrong side. This is the one I had on the driver's side, and you can see the arrow is pointing down, so this needs to go to the passenger side. What I'm going to do is the same orientation that the brake pads are. I'm going to just take them off, lay them down, reinstall them in the correct caliper and the same orientation, so the rotors will never know the difference. Yeah, because they're real opinionated and shit. Even putting the slide pins in the same orientation. Slide out pads. Oop. There you go. Now we're gonna go over to the passenger side and reinstall. So there, now we have the passenger side complete. We're gonna move on to the driver's side. All right, so that is a day in the life of Coyote swapping. That is the day in the life of a Coyote swap. Just doing anything and everything different than Dodge ever did is, in my opinion, not only just because of the brand, you know, Dodge and anything Mopar is just subpar in my opinion. I hate to be kind of biased on that, but it's extremely bad luck. When I got this car, I had to patch these frame rails on both sides, and that's if I was using the stock setup even. So doing the Riley Motorsports, that, I mean, I had to take care of it anyways, but while I was there, I've had a lot of milestones to figure out with this car. Bad 727 that it came with it, a bad 440, went to buy a 400, it's cracked, the heads are cracked on it, got a 5.7 Hemi, it dropped a valve, so we get another 5.7 Hemi, and that 500 transmission, whatever it came with, and both of them were bad, so that's when I gave up and said, you know what, going with something that works. Ford. 11,000 mile motor is gonna keep going. Watch, it's probably gonna make it to 200,000 before it gives up. Anyways, that is the life of a Coyote swap in progress. You can see Willwood brakes officially installed correctly now. The correct orientation. Yeah, just because I'm a Ford person doesn't mean I'm retarded. Actually, I mean, I did Coyote swap a Dodge, and the looks that I get are hysterical. Trust me, it's worth it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Definitely hang out on the page because there's going to be a lot more of this coming up, especially as we're getting into the warm summertime. There's going to be some car show clips. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any new posts. And we will catch you in the next one. Appreciate it. You guys enjoy. See you later.